In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust and move your banner box and button position in Shopify. We're going to walk through this inside the Shopify theme editor, so you can visually see every change as you make it. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reposition the text and button that sit on top of your banner images without touching any code. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This will open a page showing your list of themes. At the top of that list, you'll see your current live theme. Next to that theme, click on Edit Theme or Customize, depending on what you see. This will open the theme editor, where you can adjust the layout and design of your store. Inside the theme editor, you'll see a panel on the left that lists all of the sections on your page, such as header, image banners, and featured collections. Scroll through this list and find the section that contains the banner box and button you want to move. Often this might be called Image Banner, Slideshow, or something similar. Click on that section to open its editing options. Once you're inside that section, look for the content area where your heading, text, and button are configured. Here you'll see an option labeled Position. Next to Position, there's a drop-down box. Click this drop-down to choose where you want your content container to appear on the banner. You'll usually see options like top left, top center, top right, middle left, middle center, middle right, and bottom variations as well. As you pick different positions, think about where your text will be easiest to read against the image background. Just below or near that, you'll see another setting called Alignment. This controls how the content inside the box is aligned, and it's especially important for the button. You can usually choose between left, center, and right. Selecting left will align your text and button to the left side of the content box. Center will keep everything in the middle, and right will push them to the right. Try different options to see which layout looks clean and balanced with your specific banner image. As you make changes to the position and alignment, keep an eye on the live preview on the right side of the screen. This preview updates in real time, so you can immediately see how your banner box and button move around and decide what looks best before saving. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. This will publish your layout changes to your store. After saving, it's a good idea to open your actual storefront in a new tab and quickly check the banner on both desktop and mobile to confirm that the box and button are positioned exactly how you want them.